See me in just a minute. God, there you go. Let's bragging with it. Welcome, right, to the Sunblood Network, home of where you could be taught the technology, your mind and body. Do you understand the tech? All right. Hold on. They self. Right. Anyways, right. Grand Rising, Grand More Awakening. You know what I'm saying? If anything, I'm out the head and go get this. You know what I'm saying? Just go get these pesos real quick, right? More importantly, right? Um, then she played herself. Thank you. It ain't got nothing to do with me. Anyways, right? Uh-huh. My shit says white. I've been using that new what's that new thing? New Goo Guru. Yeah. I've been using that new toothbrush, new toothpaste, all that. Yeah? Yeah. So, right? Um, how can I say? Um, how can I say this in simple terms? Um, yeah, I've been doing like I've been doing some research. I'm always doing research. You know what I'm saying? What's happening with it? What's happening? What's happening with it? What's happening? What's happening? Right? I be always doing research. Right? And how can I say this in simple terms? Like, I'm gonna be honest with you. Just hear me out, okay? Just hear me out. I'm only telling you what someone else told me, and it's something that I already said. But how it played out with the next individual is crazy. You gotta listen to this one, right? So I was at in my journey, we go through everything for a reason, okay? So in my journey right now, what I was going through was I was like, I was basically getting in contact with other people that could get me like, job positions, stuff like that, right? So while I'm going through this whole thing, I end up meeting up with a white guy named Mitch. You know what I'm saying? Met up with him, whatever the case may be. Now we was in a car and we was having a random conversation, right? And then the conversation turned into us talking about the sun. And he was like, this is what this white man said. This what he said, okay? Not what I said, what he said, okay? His name is Mitch, okay? Work at CEO. Just in case if you want to do the Google research, you understand, like, nah, he not lying. Like, this is what this white man said. He said, yeah, it's getting real hot. And the sun, it can become very damaging. And I was like, oh, okay. And then at that, he was like, for you, you have a lot of melanin in your skin, so it's not damaging for you. I'm like, God damn. God damn. Yo, the universe, bro. I'm gonna say this. Nobody can beat the universe, bro. Bro, bro, I'm looking at Mitch like, hold on, stop. Did I just hear that? Stop. Wake me up out this dream real quick. Did I just see that? Bro, no way I just seen that. Bro, bro. So I'm looking at him like, I'm looking at Mitch like, because I wanted to say to him like, so like, yeah, like, damn. Yo, listen, the universe is the most coded. I'm trying to tell you, the game of the universe, bro. I'm like, I'm just stuck there looking at Mitch like with a face like, no way this shit just played in front of me. Somebody pinch me or something. Wake me the fuck up. This shit just played in front of me like this? No way. Whoa. So, right? I always said all the time, this gonna scare a lot of people. but it's only going to scare a certain sector of consciousness. Majority of people, right? When you say certain things on the internet, you should be very careful what you say as a human being. Yeah, you should be very careful. Okay? It's the reason why certain things that's already here, right? That are being, how can I say, disclosed or exposed, or how can I say, being brought to the forefront, or you being aware. Thank you. Right? You have to understand, and I'm gonna say this one time and one time only, and everybody know what I mean. Even if you in fear, even if you in fear of the message, you know what I mean. Okay? Understand when it came to humanality as a whole, humanality is a consciousness that humans can't even understand. You can't even understand what I'm saying to you, even though I'm speaking English. And that's the disconnect. I'm telling you to your face, speaking in English in front of you, telling you like humanality, yes, the human that you are, the humanoid mind that you are, right? That right there, that's just conscious. That don't mean that's what you are. That's like me putting a book in front of you and telling you everything you read in a book is about you. That don't mean it's about you. You know how I know? Because that was another mind that created that book. And if you are the follower toward that book, then you're no longer your own mind. You're the mind of that individual that created that book. They used their mind to create the book. Thank you. So don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? A lot of us have, within humanality, within consciousness, a lot of us have been programmed to look at individuals a certain type of way. Predictable programming. You would simply look at me and you would simply say, the identity that you choose inside the technology of your mind, which is your memory bank, is this is a black man. See what I'm saying? So what you have to understand is that when it comes to system of identity, right, the technology of the memory bank of all people are infiltrated. The reason why that is because I can use the technology of your own body against your own mind. Let me show you. You identify as race. That's what your mind remember. But your body holds the key to your own DNA. So your mind is a lie towards your DNA. Your DNA that's within you is the truth towards your mind. Setups. So with that being said, we also had the truth. Me, I'm the one that knows the lie. Me, I am the one that knows the truth. So I could pull the lie within you and pull the truth at you at the same time. And then have you question yourself because you can't fight with me. You can only fight with the race, ignorancy, right, of a downloadable program. A program come down to information and data, race. What's the word at the top? Race. What's the words at the bottom? Colors. Colors. Watch this, setups. That way you can understand people are lies towards themselves. What they DNA say? Nothing about race or color. Setups. So you have to understand one thing I love about people is that I love that they're lies towards themselves. Do you understand? Because I get to understand the lies. You understand? I'm not here to change them though. No. That's their own choice to change that direction and course of what they want. I'm just sitting here looking at it like, God damn. Shit, humans don't like themselves, baby. Nah. If they did, baby, they identify as they self, wouldn't they? All right then. Shit, Brazy Tech out here in the scene. Everybody talking about something. We within an identity crisis. How are you within an identity crisis when your DNA gives you your full identity? Setups. Look like fakery. Have a nice day or tree. Shit is Brazy Tech out here if you ask me. Yeah? Yeah. Brazy Tech. I gotta get up out of here.